Hello, this is Charlie. The stylus on my S Pen broke. My kids broke it this morning, so I'm gonna try to fix it. Um, there's a tiny little neck right here, and that's where I think the weak spot is, and I need to put it back together. I mean, I ordered a new one, but in the meantime, I need my stylus to work. I need something to work. So I put that part back in, and it's still working. So all I need to do is to get that together. So there's a little opening in there on both ends, and I'm gonna use that. And I'm gonna use a toothpick, and that's what I plan to do to strengthen it. So I'm gonna try to get a good portion of the toothpick in there. I don't want to use nothing metalish because metallic or metalish. So I think the toothpick can work. So I'm gonna push that in there like this to give it a little strength, and if anything, that should be even stronger than how the factory brought it out. So I'm gonna also turn my knife around because get a sharper end on the knife. So I'm gonna probably cut it around here. I'm gonna sharpen that out really nicely. My plan is to push that in as far as I can go. But the top part, I may have to go a little shorter on there. And shave that out really nicely. And my plan is to push that in there as tight as I can and get it in. So that can work, but I just want to strengthen it. Oh, that came out. So then I'm gonna use my crazy glue and squish some here already, so I can use that glue right here and put some glue on the stick. And I basically using some crazy glue and put it there, all over here. I'm gonna put some on this side also. And now I'm gonna push, make sure you have the ends together, the flat ends, and push it together. And we want to make sure that this is straight. And then I'm gonna wipe out the excess on there because you don't want to, oh man, it's already getting hot already. But, so it's pretty. So I can use a knife and clean it out a bit. So this is just temporary until I get my new one. I ordered one from Verizon because I have a discount when I shop with them, and it's like $23. So it's pretty sturdy. It's even. So let's push it in. Let's recognize it. Let's pull it out. So there. So let's see. Push it in. Let's pull it out, and it works. It works pretty good. So that will keep me. It's pretty sturdy, but that will keep me until Wednesday when I get my new one that I ordered from Verizon. This is Charlie. Quick fix out.